Hi, I'm George, TSG's product manager. If you're following along with the TSG Compliance Solution demo series, we're building upon a scenario where we've updated the disaster recovery SOP specifically to add a server to the Thursday backup schedule. In this demo, we're going to focus on the periodic review process. So let's say, from the last demo, we fast forward a few years and our SOP is now version 4.0. Most companies, when we take a look at the effective, like let's say this document became effective today, will set the periodic review date to 2 years into the future. So when it comes to be almost that periodic review time, it'll kick off a workflow, and you could execute the periodic review process. So I'm going to go behind the scenes here quickly and just change this date so that we can see what that looks like. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to take a look at these properties again, and you can see here that now the periodic review date I set to about out a month from now. So we also have a job that's running periodically to check for documents that are coming up on their periodic review. Since this is one of those documents, we can see that in my periodic review inbox I have a task for my document, and this goes out to a group that's configurable. So I'm going to come in and say I want to work on this periodic review, so I'm going to claim the task, and then now I can go ahead and load it back here. And I have a new action that says I can perform the periodic review. When I go ahead and click that, it's going to ask me, is this document acceptable as is? And here's where I have my choice of actually executing the periodic review. If I say no, this will, I can enter some comments, put in my username and password, and say updates, X, Y, Z are needed, and enter my username and password and complete this task. And then from there on, I can create a new revision and update this document to the 5.0 version using the normal compliance solution methods. Or I could go ahead and obsolete the document if it's no longer needed. And we'll actually take a look at that in the next demo. But the scenario I'm going to go through here today is I'm going to say, yes, this document is acceptable as is. I enter my username and password, go ahead and submit. And it'll execute that periodic review, and now if I look at the properties, the periodic review date is set 2 years out from today. And I can also take a look at this document and see that a periodic review signature has been added to the signature page of the document. Well, that's it for this demo. Thanks for listening. For more information, check out our website at tsgrp.com and our blog at blog.tsgrp.com.